Welcome. In today's teaching, I'll be guiding you on how to add VPN in Windows 11 laptop or PC. Okay, so if your machine runs Windows 11 operating system, in this teaching, you are going to learn how you can add VPN to it. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. What it does is that it makes your browsing on some website private. Okay, so when you add the enable VPN or add details about the VPN on your PC before you start browsing, when you visit some websites, your real identity will not be displayed on the website. Okay, so it can help you to bypass some sites whereby public identity is a problem. Okay, so if you have been looking for how you can add VPN on a PC that runs Windows 11 operating system, just follow on as I'm going to walk you through how you can do that. The first step is to click on the Start button, which is the Windows logo key. Click on Settings for the settings page to open. Okay, then here there are some settings you can see at the left margin here. So click on Network and Internet. All right, under Network and Internet, one of the options displayed there is VPN. So click on VPN. All right, you can see the VPN settings page has opened with the advanced settings for all VPN connection section. You can see that here. All right, but our interest is on adding VPN. So look at VPN connections. So click on Add VPN. Okay, now you can see here you are required to add the details, the connection name, the server name or address. That's add the server name or the address of the VPN you want to use. VPN type, leave it as automatic. Okay, type of sign in, by default username and password is chosen, but if you have another option, maybe you want to use another option like smart card, one of password or certificates, just any of the options you want to use. All right, then username, which is optional, you can add it as well. Password is optional. So after adding these details, just click on save button. All right, then you can then start using VPN on that your PC that runs Windows 11 operating system. I hope this video helps. Please, if it does, hit the like button as that will make this video to go viral as well. Okay, then if you're not subscribed to my channel, or maybe you're watching my channel for the first time, please do what to subscribe so that you can still get some notifications whenever I release any new video on tech or Windows 11 in general. Okay, then I still have some other videos on how you can find your way around a PC that runs Windows 11 operating system. So click on the playlist above to watch more on Windows 11 operating system. Thank you and see you some other time.